Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from iRepair Autos. In light of what's happening around the globe with this, I don't even want to call it by its name, we are forced to think and act before we even go out. Today I'm not going to show you a repair. Instead, I'm going to show you how to safeguard and purify your Mercedes quickly, simply, and easily. Let's get started. So with your engine running, turn your air conditioning on, put it to the highest. Make sure recirculation is off so that it pulls in fresh air from the outside. Make sure your AC button is turned on. Having it on heat or having it on cold does not matter. In this scenario and in this situation, I'm going to keep it on heat. Heat kills bacteria, heat kills germs. So with everything on and running, let's go under the hood. We're going to locate and find the air intake for the cabin. So happens on the ML350. It's right on the passenger side when you're facing the vehicle on the left. And that's the air intake vent right here. It feeds in from up top. And I'm going to take this antibacterial spray, all-purpose cleaner. This one kills 99.9% of household germs, and I'm just going to spray it into that intake. And I'm not going to spray it all at once to saturate the filters that are on the inside. I'm going to spray it, let it get pulled in to the system, and as it's pulled in, it will disinfect the air intake for the cabin filters. Another way that you can go about doing this is to change those filters out, but you don't want to change those filters out every week. You can also use Lysol. I tend to shy away from harsh chemicals. This is all natural. It has alcohol in it. And this particular flavor is bamboo, so it has a nice natural grain smell. I then focus my attention on inside the cabin. Coming back inside the cabin, you'll notice immediately an improvement in the smell of the and quality of the air coming in. Now, I don't suggest you spraying directly into the vent when the air is on, because it'll just come right back out. So what you can then do is turn your air off and you can spray within the vent. That will just basically get any germs that may be lingering around. Turn the engine off. Don't forget to hit the rear ones as well. And as you can tell, there's an upcoming video that's needed to fix these vents. Once you're done spraying the vents, make sure you put your vent selection on so that it'll pass it right through. I still love that Mercedes-Benz emblem on the doors of this ML350 2006. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.